In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache for WhatsApp Web. If WhatsApp Web is acting slow, not loading messages or showing outdated info, clearing the site's cache is a quick way to fix it. This process removes stored data for the website in your browser, and it won't delete your chats on your phone. It may sign you out on the web though, so be ready to log back in. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for WhatsApp Web. You can also type the official address directly into the address bar. When the site loads, you'll land on the WhatsApp Web login screen. Next, log into the same account you use on your phone. Most people use the QR method. Open WhatsApp on your phone and follow the prompt to link a device by scanning the QR code shown on the computer screen. If you see an option to link using your phone number instead, you can follow those on-screen steps as an alternative. Either way, once the link is confirmed, your chats will appear in the browser. With WhatsApp Web open, look at the top of your browser's window and find the small site icon to the left of the web address. Depending on your browser, this might look like a lock or a globe. Click that icon to open the Site Information menu. In the menu that appears, choose Cookies and Site Data. Then select Manage On-Device Site Data. Your browser may use slightly different wording, but you're looking for the option that lets you view and manage data stored by this website. You should now see an entry for web.whatsapp.com. Click the trash or bin icon next to it to remove the stored data for the site and confirm if you're prompted. Then click Done to close the panel. Clearing this data helps resolve glitches by forcing the browser to reload fresh files the next time you visit. Finally, refresh the WhatsApp web page. You can click the refresh button in your browser or press the standard refresh shortcut on your keyboard. After the reload, you'll likely be asked to log in again since the site data was cleared. Repeat the login process, and you should notice smoother performance and up-to-date information. That's it. You opened WhatsApp Web, logged in, removed the site's stored data from your browser, and refreshed to apply the changes. If issues persist, make sure your internet connection is stable and try repeating the process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep WhatsApp Web running clean and fast.